everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Paylocity account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paylocity application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Paylocity application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log in or create an account for yourself. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is enter your company ID, username and password. So simply tap on the field of company ID. Now enter the unique ID assigned to your employer by Paylocity. Now after entering the company ID, what you have to do is type in your username. So simply enter your username over here. After entering the username, enter your password. If you've forgotten your username or password, you can tap on this option, forget username or password. After that, you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter all the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Paylocity account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.